Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be applying my first set of luxury press-on nails. If you guys look on my channel or on my Instagram, I have always loved nails, and I'm usually sharing pics like once a month because I get my nails done once a month at my nail tech. And I love my nail tech. I've been going there for about a year and a half, but I've just been looking online and seeing a lot of people use press-on nails and they seem to really enjoy them. So I wanted to switch it up. So I ordered some from two companies. The company I'm going to be showing in this video is from Impressive Nails. This is not a sponsored video, but I did tell my Instagram family and everything that I was gonna show how I apply these. So this is my first time. I haven't worn press-on nails in general in like 5 years. I didn't have really good luck with my press-on nails back then. These were the ones I wore back in the day were, I think they were like the Kiss brand, and I had some pop off before, and that's one reason why I wanted to stay away from press-on nails. But I've watched several videos over the past few weeks, so it gave me the peace of mind to go ahead and order some. So this is actually a black owned company, and I found her on Instagram just searching the hashtag press on nails, and I really liked her work, and her stuff was pretty and affordable, so I wanted to pick them up. I ordered two sets. I ordered this black set, and they're all out of order and stuff because I sized them to my hands and everything. And then I got a unicorn set, so I'm gonna go with the black set today. Now, when I was sizing my hands, I used the tape method that a lot of people have on their pages and stuff, where you can just use Scotch tape. You put it on your finger and you measure from sidewall to sidewall, and that'll give you the measurement of your fingers. But this other company that I ordered some, well, this other company, this is not going to show up on camera because it's going to be washed out, but the company is called The Nail Shop. On Instagram, they're called thenailshop.sb. With the purchase of a set of nails, they'll send out a measuring kit. So they'll send you 10 different size nails, and then you can just see what custom nail size you are and everything. And then you tell them your measurements, and then they'll start making your custom set. So I'm glad that I went ahead and got this. So every time I get my nails, order press on nails, I have my correct size. So I did the tape measure with this. So my nails aren't gonna be perfect this time around, but when I do my future sets, they will be. So I'm just sharing all the information first. So I got my nails taken off yesterday, and these are my natural nails. They are very thin though. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and put the press-ons on, because I can't even do simple things because they're so flimsy. I actually might cut these down just a little bit. All right, so with the Impressive Nails, it did come with instructions and everything. I am gonna be using, it did come with a whole pack, but I've already unboxed it on my Insta story yesterday, so a lot of this stuff is not going to be shown, but it did come with a lot of things. Cuticle pushers, alcohol, prep pads, nail glue, these foul bricks and everything. So I don't even have any acetone because I always get my nails done, so I just don't even have that with me. So I am just gonna rough up the surface of my nails. The nails came with these adhesive tabs. I am going to use adhesive tabs and Gorilla Glue. I want to try this because I do want my nails to stick a little bit longer. So I'm going to put the adhesive tabs down first. I'm going to apply it on my less dominant hand. I like to do the difficult stuff first, and then this hand should be a breeze. And they have different sizes on here. So if you're new to press-ons, they have, just like the sizes of the nails, they have different sizes for these adhesive tabs as well. So I have the adhesive tab on there, and I'm going to take off the little plastic sleeve it has. Okay, there we go. So it's stuck on there. Oh, I just watched our nails video. So with her less dominant hand, she doesn't put the glue directly on her nail. I mean, directly on her real nail. She puts it on the actual false nail. So I'm gonna take my Gorilla Glue. This is what I have. And I'm gonna put a little dot. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna press down. I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. Okay, that looks good. But the size, oh, the size that I got is too small. You can't tell from the top. I'm gonna have to trim underneath because you can tell like a little bit of my nail. All right, so I didn't like that was hanging off like to the side. This is a little bit smaller than my actual like nail bed and whatever. So I did pry it off with this cuticle pusher. The adhesive tabs plus this glue is very strong, but I took it off before it started to bond. So I'm gonna reapply it. I'm not gonna put another adhesive tab because it's already stuck in there, but I'm just gonna use a little more of this Gorilla Glue. Try not to use too much. I'm gonna try to align it to where it looks decent, even though it's too small. A little bit of the sides will show, but it's not horrible. I'm gonna take a little bit of my alcohol pad and clean around my finger, any excess there. That looks much better. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. We're gonna fast forward this part. Alright guys, so I am finished applying my nails. It actually was pretty easy to apply, but some things that I noticed. One thing I would say is definitely get your right measurements. If a company offers like the measuring kit, definitely like purchase that like ahead of time, just so your nails are a perfect fit. Mine worked pretty well, except for my pinkies were just slightly a little bit smaller, but everything else fit pretty well. And I think the quality of the nails, they feel pretty thick, not too flimsy. So what I did notice is don't go overboard with the glue. I took my thumb off because I was using it so much when I was applying my left hand and everything, so I wanted to take it off. And it kept coming up on the side, so I I pried it off with the cuticle pusher right here, and I reapplied it, but this time I'd used like way more glue, and that wasn't a good idea because it got crusty around like the perimeter because it was excess glue. So I wiped that away, but a little bit of glue got on the surface of the nail. You probably can't see it now because I did put, after all of my nails were applied, I did put some oil on there. Floral oil that I got from Silver Bow. That did the trick to get rid of like the kind of white cast that was around my cuticle and everything. It's a little bit of dullness here where the glue got attached, but it doesn't look too bad. Overall, I think this is a nice set. I like the quality of the nails and I like how they look, and I'm glad to have my nails back on because my natural nails were getting kind of thin. So how this goes, I really like how these look. So if you are interested in purchasing anything from Impressive Nails, I'll have a link to her Etsy shop down below. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but I do want to do more like nail content on my channel because I do love nails, and you know, I post a lot on my Instagram about my nails and stuff, and you guys always compliment me in my videos. So I'm gonna try to, you know, every time I change my sets, I'll probably post a video for you guys. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up this video, and share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.